Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 7th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We're going to start off the day with looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures right now are trading down by about 2 points to 22.08 per contract. You can see the futures came right into that 200-period moving average, have gotten a little bit of a bounce here. But nonetheless, they are negative on the day. Now, yesterday the markets did rally higher on very, very light volume. That seems to be the trend as of late. But I think the market still can stall here a little bit. They're still very, very overbought. And again, the volume trends have been very, very light. So we've had just a huge move. A lot of times markets will need to digest those types of moves. And we'll see what the futures give us today. But right now, futures are down about 2 points. We're not going to make a big deal about that. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news because that's where you can make some money today. Western Digital is up first. Looks like they upped their guidance. The stock closed at $63.85. It is now trading at $67.20. This is a fantastic move for Western Digital. Again, I have to give the stock some credit here. It's overbought, but it's still continuing to push higher. So, again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not do anything at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Seagate, which is STX. They could be trading higher in sympathy. Stock closed at $39.15 yesterday. This is trading around $39.60. So they're in the same space. Disk drive maker, same space as Western Digital, and this is upticking a little bit. So Seagate could be a little bit of a runner today. Keep that on the radar today. I'm seeing my big resistance level for Seagate around 41.50. So this does have upside potential. All right, let's take a look at StarBucks. SBUX is the ticker symbol. Looks like they came out with a plan to grow or to increase revenue. Stock right now is trading at around $57.38. It closed at $57.44. So the market really not buying into the growth plan. I do think Starbucks is overbought here and into a very good resistance level either way. So again, anywhere from 57.50 to 58.50. There's a ton of resistance here for Starbucks. So I would not be looking for a lot of upside in this name at this point in time. Let's take a look at Vera Bradley. VRA is the ticker symbol here. Looks like this stock came out with earnings today. It is getting hammered. Stock closed at $14.67. It is now trading down at $11.75. So there's not much I would do here. The next level I see for this stock would be around $10, but again, I'm not even sure I would even want to pick it up here at these levels. So again, be very, very careful with Vera Bradley. Stock did report, or the company did report earnings today, and it is down significantly. Let's take a look at Dave & Buster. Ticker symbol is PLAY, P-L-A-Y. This company reported earnings. Looks like they are having a good reaction. Stock closed at $48, now trading at $53.77. This is overbought on every metric. So be careful here. If you own this stock, congratulations. Trail your stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not touch it up here at these levels. This is a very, very overbought condition. It's a great move, great pop, but again, sometimes you hold into earnings, you could be rewarded. Sometimes you could be, the stock could be sold off and you could be disappointed. But this is one where you got a really good reaction to earnings. But again, trail that stop loss immediately if you own it. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels, even with the positive reaction initially to the earnings report. Let's take a look at Square. I'm not sure the news here. I did not check it, but stock's getting a little bit of a pop-up. So it closed at $13.27, now trading at $13.69. Briefly got to $14. No real volume behind it, just 3,800 shares, but either way, little uptick there for Square. I still think 14 is a very big resistance level for this stock. Let's take a look here at UNH, which is United Health. Looks like they were upgraded today. Stock is trading at $158.50, closed at $157.32. So United Health upgraded and holding up pretty well from what I could see. You also have another upgrade today in MasterCard, ticker symbol MA. So that stock right now is trading at $103.06, closed at $102. Again, this may have a little room to run, but not all that much. I'm not seeing anything all that sensational in MasterCard, but it is holding up at the moment. And again, we have a few other stocks in play today, but I got to do a little bit of work on the chart. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we're doing in there. Having a great 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. We have gold trading up $5.20 today. So if you take a look at the GLD, which is the gold ETF here, you're going to see that's trading at 111.88. So that's upticking a little bit from a very oversold condition. We also have oil futures trading down 47 cents today to $50.46 a barrel. So they're still above 50, but oil is pulling back from its double top on the charts. And if you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at 11.22 a share right now, and that is down a little bit from yesterday's close. So all in all, oil pulling back, gold getting an uptick, and we'll see how this market plays out. So far, this market has had a very slow trading week. It's been a very, very slow light volume type trading week. So we'll see what this gives us. But all in all, when it gets calm like this, that's when you got to be on your toes. So with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. We're having a great year, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of 2016. With that being said, everybody, we will see you all later on the charts.